Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue, and allow. Then tap on whatever you want to in the pop-up and click on your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Infinix. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Sorry, misclick. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order. And then hit Receive button. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!